to show you how to order products in a category. Start by going to your dashboard, then clicking on the product dashboard, and then choosing the product category that you're wanting to order the products in. So let's go to birthday products. There are two ways of viewing this. You can view it as a list, or you can view it in a grid format. Either way is fine. It's just a personal preference of which one that you want to use. So if you see these numbers at the top, they're the order in which the products will appear on the page. So say, for instance, we want to make Lana number 1, and we want to change twice the treat. So let's change Lana to 1. Takes a moment. Okay, and now we need to change twice the treat. So let's change that to 2. So then you can go through each of the categories and each of the products and perfectly curate the order in which the products appear. So if we then go to the website and we look at occasions and birthday, here we have Lana number 1 and twice the treat number 2.